In this guide, I'll show you how to delete and remove users on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings. Then once you're here on the left sidebar, we're going to scroll down until we see Users. Now here's where you can see all of the users on the Nintendo Switch. What I'm going to do is select the account I want to delete. So if we go to here, you can see at the bottom there's the Delete User option, so I'm going to select that. And it says all saved data for this user will be deleted. In addition to that, if you're signed into a Nintendo account on this user and they've purchased games and such, you'll no longer be able to use it on your Nintendo Switch, so just bear that in mind. So if you're okay with that, you can now go to Next, and it's going to delete the user. It's going to tell you once more, data cannot be recovered. Once it's been deleted, if you want to delete this user, go ahead. We're going to select Delete this user, and it was successfully deleted. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.